In every corner of modern life, steel plays a silent yet powerful role. From the cars we drive to the furniture in our homes, precision tubes are at the heart of it all. Introducing Ferron Tubes Pvt, a trusted name in precision steel tubing and a proud contributor to the Make in India growth story. Our journey is powered by 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Palwal, Haryana, just a few kilometers from the national capital, New Delhi. Our process begins with raw steel coils sourced from India's most trusted steel producers like Tata Steel, JSW and SAIL that enter our steel processing center. Here, coils are slit into strips with absolute accuracy to meet exact customer specifications. These steel strips then move into our Japanese-designed ERW tube mills, where high-frequency induction welders from the Inductotherm group transform them into perfectly formed tubes. They are then sized, straightened, cut to precise lengths, and finished using advanced systems that guarantee dimensional accuracy and durability. Every tube passes through online eddy current testing, followed by visual and dimensional inspection, ensuring products of the highest quality for every application. At every step, quality is built into the process. After testing, tubes are dipped in rust-preventive oils, ensuring a shelf life of up to 6 months. They are then packed as per customer specifications, suitable for both land and sea transport. Our in-house testing labs, along with IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certifications, ensure that every delivery meets the highest global standards. Our customized, fully integrated ERP system ensures complete traceability of every tube, from raw material to finished goods, through our QR-coded identification process. This digital integration enables real-time tracking, process transparency, and unmatched accountability across our entire production cycle. But tubes are only part of our story. Our facility also delivers cut-to-length tubes, tubular components, and intricate sheet metal parts, backed by modern SOCO cutting machines, precision laser cutting systems, wire brush deburring, chamfering machines, and power presses. From cut-to-length tubes to automotive tubular parts, Ferron provides customized value-added solutions that make us a one-stop destination for our customers. Driving this excellence is our focus on research and development. Our team continuously works to improve processes and innovate products, whether by developing new tube profiles, engineering lighter yet stronger solutions for the automotive sector, or introducing corrosion-resistant coatings like online zinc spray for pre-galvanized tubes. Our fully equipped in-house tool room, where all our tooling is designed, manufactured and polished to exacting standards, enables rapid development of special sizes with unmatched precision and speed. With the production capacity exceeding 50,000 metric tons annually, Ferron Tubes caters to a wide spectrum of industries like automotive 2- and 4-wheelers, e-rickshaws, heavy machinery, furniture, fans, electrical fittings, and other general engineering sectors. At Ferron, we also focus on sustainability. Our commitment is reflected in our solar power systems, CNG-fitted transport fleet, CPCB 4 compliant generators, and rainwater harvesting facilities. Our mission is simple: to strengthen industries through process-driven precision, uncompromised quality, and continuous innovation. And our vision is to forge a stronger world and build lasting trust with every customer, partner, and employee. Ferron Tubes Pvt Limited, forging the future, one tube at a time.